Hey, what's good, YouTube? Man, I was going through my closet right now, trying to organize my shoes, and then I ran into these. I had bought these 5 months ago on the date, and I had did an unboxing video, and what happened was I lost all the footage because my memory card got corrupted, and I kept putting it aside because I like, man, I'm gonna somehow get this data back. I'm gonna do some data recovery software type of deal, and I lost the whole thing and just completely forgot about them till now. I was organizing my shoes, and I was like, man, you know what? I never did get around to finishing this. So even though I can't give you an unboxing because I done threw all that away and I lost the footage, but I'll just show them to you. I had even did it on feet. I mean, I had everything ready to go, ready to edit, and I just lost the whole thing. But here go the tag right quick. Alright, there you go. Yeah, so I lost all the footage and I completely forgot about them. Kind of iffy about wearing them, I ain't gonna lie. After I got them, at first I was like, yeah, I'm gonna give me some Space Jams, but they knockoffs, I don't care. I've never had a pair of J's, so I don't care about that. But then I was like, I don't know, I just left them aside and just didn't really care about them. So the story goes, I ordered them 5 months ago, but I didn't get them till 2.5 months later. What happened was they got lost in customs, and the policy of the DHGATE where I got them from was you get these, I think, in 4 weeks, or else they're supposed to be free. So I brought it to their attention. I said, hey, I still haven't gotten the shoes. What's going on? I won't recommend this seller because the dude was rude. His customer service was just straight trash, and the dude was trying to offend me with some words. Matter of fact, I'll put up the screenshot of the message if I can somewhere about right now or something like that. But I wouldn't recommend him. Oh, let me get back to the story right quick. So, yeah, they got lost in customs, so I filed a dispute with my bank because they was acting funny. So my bank got me my money back, and I think about a month later, they show up at my door. I guess they finally cleared customs and they just continued with the shipping. I don't know. I don't care. I just never wore them, but I'm about to show them to you. So these are the Space Jams, size 10, my size, luckily, because they didn't have every single size, but luckily they have my size. But here they go right here. Let me move this back right quick. Show y'all the kicks. I can show y'all the stuff that it came with also. Like it came with this tissue paper. Let's say 45 on it. I don't even know if this is the right tissue paper. This is what it came with though. It came with a little boo-boo keychain, Jordan 1 keychain. It came with this a StockX sticker. Supposedly these are from StockX, or if you want to fool people with fugazis, I don't know. And it came with the tag, and the tag is new. Like, you can attach it. See, it got the other little end. Let me see if it focus right quick. There it goes. Alright, so look, it come with this little end right here, and it's like unused. So I guess as soon as I put it in there and push it in, it'll just like forever lock, and I'd have to cut it. So this is, I guess, if you want to throw this on there and say, hey, I bought these in StockX, straight bootleg. I thought that was funny. Here go the receipts. Like, they got some Asian Nike receipts and stuff. They got some other different currency receipts, postcards, look, another receipt, another 2 receipts. Like, they got all kinds of stuff in there. These pair of shoes also came with a pair of socks, and I wore the socks a while back. That's about the only thing I wore from this is a pair of socks. I'd show them to you, but I don't know where they're at. But here go the box. It got that thumbprint thing, that thumbprint deal. I'll see if I get you some up close B-roll shots. If I don't focus enough. The bottom, I'll get y'all some up close shots of the box sometime, like right now or something. Let's get into the shoes, man. So I really don't know what exactly people look at to find out if they're fake or not. Besides the, what they call it, the carbon fiber. This one's obviously fake because it's all smooth. It's not textured or nothing. It's just straight smooth carbon fiber. But everything else so far, I think, is like almost dead on alike, like to the OGs, I guess, to the originals. I mean, because what I've heard is back in the days, the very first knockoffs, this whole symmetric line here was always like out of whack. But like so far, it's been like so straight. This to these 2 points right here is all straight on both shoes. I don't know about the Jumpman. Y'all could probably tell me, does that Jumpman look legit? Does he look prego? I don't know. Like I said, I've never had a pair of J's to compare them to. They're very light. I'm gonna have to weigh them for y'all so y'all can see if, I don't know, I just, it doesn't have like a full shoe feel. Like, they're so light, and not in a good way light, more like a cheap, you know what I'm saying, like a cheap light. Like, they so light. Here go the other shoe. Let me see if it focus right quick. Right there, the back, see, everything lines up. I guess like the modern day knockoffs are just like more, they look more presentable, I guess. The spacing on the tongue. The only thing on these is like, there's some letters you can't see. Will it focus? Any day. I mean, you could wait till Christmas. There you go. Okay, see, like if I turn the tongue, you'll see like there's more letters, but like when you put the tongue normal, like it hides some of them letters on the side. I don't know. Same thing with this one. When the tongue is normal, see, some letters are like hidden back there. Like you'd have to move the whole tongue this way so you can see them all. But I don't know. That's a dead giveaway for a knockoff, or the original ones do that too. But I'll just give you guys some B-roll. Just all the patent leather. Go to the jump man right there. To the bottom of the sole. To that fake carbon fiber. Give out some B-roll the back. Shoot the back. And I'll give you guys a quick on feet right now.